This video demonstrates how to perform a vertical mattress suture. Mattress sutures are great for helping to evert a difficult wound that is inverting at the edges. It can be used exclusively when closing a wound or intermittently between other simple interrupted sutures. Depending on the size and location of the wound, the initial insertion of the needle will be at 4 to 8 mm from the wound edge. The needle is inserted at 90 degrees to the skin and is inserted deep into the subcutaneous tissue. The needle is brought out through the wound and reinserted in the other side at the same depth. Once the needle exits the other side, the suture material is pulled through. It is helpful at this point to rotate the needle in the needle holder by 180 degrees so that it is ready for the second half of the stitch. This involves inserting the needle at 90 degrees to the skin at a distance of 1 to 2 mm from the edge of the wound in the opposite direction. This bite is much more superficial than the first half of the suture. The suture is pulled through. You will see the suture is in one straight line across the wound. The suture is then closed initially with a surgeon's knot and locked. A reef knot is then performed on top of the surgeon's knot to secure it. For each half of the reef knot, the needle is placed inside the U-shape made by the short and long end of the suture, and each throw is tightened at 180 degrees perpendicular to the wound. The suture is cut with the Mayo scissors. This vertical mattress suture has the advantage of closing the deeper subcutaneous tissue as well as the skin. These sutures should not stay in longer than their allocated time, as they have on occasion left marks on the skin. The needle is inserted approximately 8 mm from the edge. Care is taken that the depth of the suture is equal on both sides. The needle is turned by 180 degrees in the needle holder with the forceps. The needle is reinserted in the opposite direction but in the same line of the suture, 1 mm from the edge. The surgeon's knot is performed. The knot is locked. The two throws of a reef knot are laid down on top of the surgeon's knot. The suture is cut. The distance between vertical mattress sutures is equal to the length of the suture.